Have you ever wondered how your body maintains a stable internal environment despite the constant changes in the external world? Well, this miraculous process is known as homeostasis, and it's happening in your body right now, every single second of the day. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of physiology, lived an orchestra of 30 musicians, each playing a unique instrument. These musicians, my friends, are the perfect analogy for the 30 examples of homeostasis in our bodies. The conductor of this orchestra, much like our brain, coordinated the musicians, ensuring the music flowed harmoniously. A sudden change in tempo, akin to blood glucose levels rising after a meal, would prompt the conductor to signal the insulin section, asking them to play louder, thereby restoring harmony. Similarly, if the music got too slow, resembling our body temperature dropping in a cold environment, the conductor would gesture to the thyroid section to pick up the pace, warming up the auditorium, much like our bodies heat up to maintain a steady internal temperature. The musicians also had to be in sync with the hydration levels. If the music got too dry, reflecting dehydration in our bodies, the conductor would cue the ADH section to play, leading to water conservation, much like our kidneys save water during dehydration. The orchestra had a calcium section too, which would play when the music got too soft, mirroring how our body maintains calcium levels to support bone health. If the music got too loud, indicating too much carbon dioxide in our bodies, the conductor would signal the lungs to play out the excess, much like how we exhale excess carbon dioxide. The musicians had to be attuned to sodium and potassium levels as well. If the music was out of balance, indicating an imbalance in our body's electrolytes, the conductor would signal the sodium-potassium pump to restore the equilibrium. The orchestra had a section for maintaining pH balance too. If the music sounded too acidic or too basic, the kidneys and lungs would play together, just like they work in tandem to maintain our body's pH balance. The concert was a constant dance of signals and responses, just like the ongoing process of homeostasis in our bodies. The musicians played their parts, understanding that each note was crucial to the overall harmony, just like each homeostatic process is essential for our well-being. From controlling the heart rate and blood pressure to maintaining the balance of hormones and the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide, from managing the concentration of glucose and electrolytes to regulating body temperature and pH levels. Each example of homeostasis is a musician in the symphony of life. In the grand scheme of things, homeostasis is the conductor, ensuring our bodies function seamlessly. It is the unsung hero, working tirelessly behind the scenes, maintaining the harmony in the face of constant change. Just as the orchestra wouldn't sound the same if even one musician was out of tune, our bodies wouldn't function correctly if even one homeostatic process was disrupted. So, the next time you marvel at the harmony in a symphony, remember that a similar concert is playing inside you every moment of every day. That, my friends, is the beauty of homeostasis.